Moving AI from pilot to production efficiently, quickly, and at scale requires a composable and validated AI factory solution. There are 7 key requirements for creating applications for AI at scale and sovereign use cases. These requirements include multi-tenancy to accommodate a variety of user groups, along with secure access and data isolation across tenants, performance guarantees, and committed access to resources. These dedicated spaces must also offer self-service catalogs for consuming various AI services with cloud-like efficiency, usage, and consumption reporting, and easy integration into existing IT infrastructure. Hewlett-Packard Enterprise has developed modular AI factory at scale and sovereign AI factory solutions with flexible pre-integrated software stack to address these requirements. Both the AI Factory at Scale and Sovereign AI Factory provide a comprehensive framework that enables the deployment and management of heterogeneous AI workloads across the entire AI lifecycle, from model building, training, and fine-tuning to inference and monitoring. The AI Factory solutions consist of 5 functional layers: the underlying infrastructure layer, the operating layer, the control plane with core platform services, the AI workloads layer, and AI services. To ensure the reliability, scalability, and stability of the AI Factory at Scale solution, 3 essential capabilities span across all technology layers. Security ensures data confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Lifecycle operations enable you to manage the deployment, maintenance, and retirement of components. Observability provides visibility into the performance, health, and usage of the components. Earlier, we identified multi-tenancy as a key requirement for AI Factory at Scale and Sovereign AI Factory. Multi-tenancy ensures the flexibility, customizability, and adaptability of the HPE's AI Factory solution stack. To create a tenant within the AI Factory at Scale environment, the infrastructure administrator logs in, navigates to the Tenants tab, and simply chooses the Create option. After navigating through a series of data entry screens, the tenant creation workflow is executed by a fully automated out-of-the-box process. This removes the complexity involved in the creation of a complete tenant. Within this tenant environment, you can easily deploy Kubernetes and Slurm cluster environments, Red Hat OpenShift, or SUSE RKE2. Plus, details of the new tenant can be viewed from the Tenants menu, where you can isolate and secure each cluster, subdivide clusters, and deploy your choice of AI tools. AI Factory at Scale solutions from HPE create a flexible environment where you can apply automated, time-saving processes to deploy a container management platform in a secure, isolated tenant. When project-level isolation is required, clusters can be further subdivided into projects or workspaces using Kubernetes namespaces. After logging in as the tenant admin, select Deploy Open Source Kubernetes from the service catalog, and then simply place an order to create a cluster. This order triggers a set of automated workflows that provisions the OS, installs the Kubernetes environment, configures the networking segments, and deploys the GPU operator. Once a container management platform is deployed, the AI Factory at Scale solution makes it easy to then deploy your choice of AI tools. As an example, you can log into the tenant environment and choose the Ollama app from the service catalog and deploy the app with a few clicks. To manage your AI environment in the AI Factory at scale, you need comprehensive monitoring of your end-to-end activities. By easily integrating with your existing monitoring systems, the flexible and customizable AI Factory at scale solutions from HPE enable you to monitor every capability through all layers of the stack. To provide greater security and control, the AI Factory at scale allows you to view each tenant with its own isolated monitoring instances. Individual dashboards show metrics for GPU, CPU, memory, network, and disk space. You can also see the container management environment deployed by the tenant and various metrics related to the cluster. Equally important as monitoring is comprehensive metering of data points for each tenant. These data points are extracted by the billing application to calculate costs. The AI Factory at scale bills tenants differently. For example, training tenants are billed on resource allocation, and inference tenants are billed on resource consumption. Invoices are generated using this billing solution, and price adjustments are made on demand when necessary. The AI Factory at scale solution includes a consolidated report that lists all the services utilized or resources consumed by all tenants, as well as calculates the costs associated with them. Imagine AI built for your nation. AI that is secure, compliant, and offers complete control. The Sovereign AI Factory from HPE puts your data and your rules at the center of your environment. Fully air-gapped, compliant, and scalable, a Sovereign AI Factory from HPE is ready to handle demanding workloads for defense, healthcare, and citizen services. HPE is one of few companies that can deliver enterprise-grade services and real-world global experience for all aspects of AI factories throughout the entire journey. From ideation, strategy, and design to implementation and ongoing operations, HPE services experts partner with you every step of the way. For more information on HPE's AI Factory solutions or to schedule a demonstration, contact your HPE representative today or visit hpe.com.